Welcome. In this video, I will explain what causes yellow or error flashing LED on Garmin Varia RearVue 820 and how to potentially fix them. So, if you see a yellow LED blinking on your device, this is actually not an error, but rather a demo mode, which you most probably accidentally enabled on your device. To disable it, just hold down the power button for like 3 seconds to turn off your device, then turn it back on by holding down the power button for 1 second. But if you see the red LED flashing on your device, this means an actual error, and sometimes this happens because of interference with other radars, or sometimes it can be triggered even when you enter the garage or tunnel. The easy way to resolve this issue is to turn off your device and then turn it back on. Make sure that your LED isn't blinking blue but green. Then also make sure that your device is not overheated. Sometimes it might simply be discharged, so try removing the back panel and the back weather cover from your USB-C port and charging it for a bit. And also you can the issue can be due to outdated software, which you can easily update using either Varia application by going to your devices menu, software updates, and check in for software updates when your device is turned on. Or you can also update the software using the Garmin Express application on your computer. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.